Hey everyone, okay, so this is such a unique product. So this is from a company called Amore CCO. I don't know how to pronounce that, I really don't. Whether it is just Amore CCO or, I don't know. It is a lickable perfume, I kid you not. A lickable perfume. Now it's sort of like a combination of coconut and vanilla. It's very gourmand, which of course you all know that I adore. It's the only things I wear. And this is really one of those, this is a perfume, but it's an intimate perfume. So if you think you're going to be having a bit of a sexy night, or you just want to go to bed smelling delicious on the off chance that perhaps you may be licked, then this is the product for you. I'm going to spray this here. Now it smells really sweet, like vanilla and a touch of coconut, but here we go. Oh, that is absolutely delicious. That is so, this is so naughty. This is everything I love in a product because it's beautiful, it smells delicious, it tastes heavenly, and is absolutely naughty. This is the naughtiest thing I've come across in it. What a terrible analogy there. This is the naughtiest thing that has come across my desk. No, this is naughty. I really love this. I'm going to buy some more of this because this is just such fun. It also doesn't feel sticky, by the way. I mean, being licked, but having this on the skin did not feel sticky in the slightest either. And I've given it a real whirl. I love a gourmand fragrance, and this is so cool. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know what you think of it. It's I think it's like £55 or something for 50 mils. So in terms of perfume prices, depends on what your preference is, but that is so cool. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.